Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I'm going to show how to make this stunning graduation cap topper. I received a request from Instagram from one lady. She asked me to decorate her graduation cap. She also sent me inspiration photo. We discussed all details, decided to add ribbons, and after that we made a final draft. And now in this tutorial I will show how to assemble this project. So let's start. All the materials I used will be listed in the description below the video. Now let me briefly explain that all my design I made in Design Space program. It's a special program for my cutting machine Cricut. The base of the topper and also flowers are made of cardstock paper. I will leave a link to the Design Space program with the flower templates in the description if you want to repeat. The image of Virgin Mary I bought on Etsy. When I cut all my parts, I started assembly with flowers. There are different tools to make it easy. You can use what works better for you. For this project I decided to use tweezers. We twist the flower in a spiral. Then glue it with a hot glue gun. I assemble all the other flowers in a similar way. Also, they are all with different shapes. Our next step, we will transfer the vinyl parts into cap topper. I also cut my vinyl on the Cricut. We did all small parts and using transfer tape we'll apply the vinyl. Here we are. I absolutely love here how vinyl shines. Now time to assemble bow. I took wired glitter ribbons, two sizes, 1.5 and 2.5 inches, and cut two pieces of ribbon 13 inches each. Then I took each ribbon, fold in half, and glue it with a hot glue gun. Now we tie two ribbons and close the knot with the third part. Then we cut two additional pieces, 7 inches each, fold a half and make angle cut. We seal the edge with the lighter. And here our bow. I absolutely love the varied ribbon. It gives value to the bow, and also glitter looks absolutely stunning. So let's apply to the cap. And finally, our last step, I will glue gemstones. And now we got it. A beautiful personalized graduation cap topper and memorial quote is ready. It's a perfect way to celebrate your graduation. Thank you for watching and happy crafting!